Alright guys, this is our space card for our June Stamp Camp. It has a really fun fold. So I'm just going to show you how we put this one together. It uses the Stargazing Suite, which you can find on page 86 and 87 in the catalog. It's got the fun dies with different size planets you can do and rings of Saturn to fit around them. So I started out with a 11 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and then I scored it at 3 3/8 and 7 5/8. So it'll just fold in. And then to get this part of the fold, it didn't really fit on our scoring pal. So what I did was just, you gotta just be really careful. A little bit tricky, a little hard to fold it because you don't have the score lines to help you out here, but you can smooth it out with your bone folder and it'll look just fine. But so I don't know, maybe you can figure out a better way to do that, but here's one all done. We'll go with this one. So there's your folds right there, and all you do is stick down. Sometimes these are tricky for me. Can I use it? There we go. Okay. So we're just going to lay this one straight across here. And then our second one. I don't know if you noticed, I used the Versamark to stamp the stars there too. So this is kind of how it opens. And so after you've stamped your circles, let's see, I did a 1 3/4 freesia and a 2 1/2 with curry. And this is a 3 by 3 piece with a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 square. Stick those together. And then I put some of our metallic woven ribbon around there and a few of the, I don't remember what those are called, the little accessories. And then I used the Versamark. I found it easier because I didn't have to switch colors. So this with the stars on there, and then also these little bubbles on there. And then you could make sure you don't forget to run with your die machine these little bubbles on there too. They add so much character to it. I thought those were really cute. So stick these on here. And then just make sure you put your dimensionals right here to hold it in place. Dimensionals hold it really good. I had a hard time getting it to stay with, actually that's probably a little too far over. Stay over here a little bit. But the dimensionals hold it really well. So that's what I would suggest. And plus it pops it out a little bit. So just hold the card down while you center it, or actually I think I did mine up a little high so it wasn't quite in the middle, but there you go. And it just slides right behind there because you've only got your adhesive right there. But I thought that was a fun different way to fold a card. So there you go, have fun with that.